In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Shopify store. Technically, Shopify doesn't allow you to delete a store permanently yourself, but you can deactivate it, which will stop all charges, and Shopify will delete it after a period of time. To begin, log into your Shopify account. If you've created multiple stores, click on your store name at the top and select the one you want to deactivate. Once you're in the store you want to deactivate, go to the bottom left-hand corner of your screen and click on Settings. From here, look at the left side menu and select the Plan option. Depending on your account, you'll either see a Cancel Plan button if you've purchased a plan or a Cancel Trial button if your store is still in the trial period. Click on the Cancel Trial or Cancel Plan button. You'll see a warning that says if you've subscribed to any apps outside of Shopify, you need to cancel those separately. Check the box confirming that you've reviewed the information, then click Continue. Next, Shopify will ask for a reason why you are closing your store. Use the drop-down menu to select an option, then click Continue again. One final confirmation page will appear, stating that your store will be closed and access to your data will be lost. If you're ready to proceed, click on the final Deactivate or Cancel Trial button. You'll now see a message that your plan has been cancelled. The store's data will be retained for up to 2 years and you won't be charged. If you decide to reopen the store in the future, you can log in and reactivate it. If not, the store will be permanently deleted after the retention period, and that's how you can close your Shopify store.